That would be my 9-month pregnant belly. And this is the silicone stamp that I created for the set of stairs that we are pouring in the backyard. When you typically see a project like this, you're probably thinking that it's a very large undertaking. And although the results are large, the steps are actually quite simple. We leveled out the base with gravel and we built a form, the same form that we will take apart and reuse with every step. You don't need anything fancy, you just need a wheelbarrow and a shovel. A lot of comments I've received on past concrete projects is, why didn't you order in the concrete? Most of the projects that I'm doing are DIY and homeowner friendly, and a concrete truck is going to cost a lot more to have ordered in. Plus, these stairs are small. They're 3 feet by 2 feet, 6 bags each. It's the sweat equity that we are willing to put into our property. Just don't do it at noontime in a heat wave, 9 months pregnant, and you'll be totally fine. We have 4 more to pour, putting big, large boulders up the side with some plants and some lights. So follow along. If you have any questions, please let me know.